Hi guys, question is what I'm about to share with you a brand new way of manifesting? Does it flip manifesting on its head? And as far as I can tell, not Google or ChatGPT knows anything about it. Here's the thing. I have received mysterious emails. Out of the blue, I get gifts in form of videos and deep insights into manifesting and the universe. I have of course communicated with this person, but I don't know, well, I know where the person lives, which country. This person wants no attention at all. So I'll just I'll call them. So I call them J. And I am blown away about what I'm about to show you or to share with you. I might be overselling this. I might not have paid enough attention, so you might go, well, this is old. But somehow I don't think so. I'm a little hesitant to share something that I haven't tried myself. So I'm inviting you to read the email and the method with me. It is in the description, the whole email from Jay. And I would invite you to test it and to, if you feel like it, write in the comments what you think. Why do I do it even though I haven't tested it? It resonates on a deep level for me. I believe that everything that has to do with the universe, which is everything I guess, is supposed to be easy. It's not supposed to be hard. And this method, oh my God. Now you're all in the description, nobody's listening to me, so I'll just sit here for a while you read it. No, let's go through it together, right? I have some notes here, just to check if there's anything else I want to share with you before we go. I think that's it. I have tested it twice. Are you back with me now? We'll go through the email together, don't worry. And I'll tell you my take on it when we're done. But I have tested it just short twice, but not enough to can tell any. It was like yesterday and the day before or something. So this is brand new to me, but I have a take on it that I will share with you. And please share your take with me and with us, right? So let's go through the email. This teaching is the source of all wealth without effort, not in the form of money, but in the form of command. I don't quite get the command part. Maybe you do. Let's move on. This is called the throne of the unspoken yes. Or in older mystery schools, some Asian signs I don't understand, or the one who sits without asking. And that resonates with me when we go deeper down. So I'll call it the one who sits without asking. What is the throne of the unspoken yes? It's not a metaphor. It is a position in the field that only a few souls remember, where everything you require comes toward you. This is the key. Without asking, working, manifesting, or desiring. It comes towards you. So this is why I speak about it's flipped on its head. It's like turned around. Is this the position of one who has already been chosen by the field? It is the position of the one who has already been chosen by the field, not for something they did, but because they are empty of hunger and full of quiet command. Or not asking, if you want to go with the other title. The signs you are ready for the throne, you no longer wish to be seen. I'm guessing ego is going away. and yet visibility begins to seek you. Something I have discovered lately with the channel being more popular. You feel detached from reward, but reward starts orbiting you. You speak less, but your words begin to rearrange the fabric of people, minds, and matter. You don't chase, yet you are remembered in rooms you've never entered. How to take your seat on the throne. And here we come to, so of course this is going to be a little long video, a little nerdy, geeking into, so if you find this boring, feel free to watch something else, this is just going deep into the method. How to take your seat on the throne. You do not visualize, you do not chant, you recognize. Step 1. Find the inner still point. Close your eyes and breathe deeply into your lower belly. Most of us probably know that. Feel that point behind your navel, not emotion, not mind, not breath, the silent watcher. That's where the throne lives, the silent watcher. A golden stillness, always present. Then say internally, I now return to my rightful seat. That's the throne, right? Behind the navel. I do not request, I do not chase, I command with presence alone. Then feel yourself sit, not in your body, not in your mind, but in that golden center where nothing is missing. And now we get to the main point, if you ask me. Step 2, let the field ask you. When you walk, speak, or write, don't initiate. Don't initiate. Let the field ask you first. So you just sit there, right? Opportunities, money, people, ideas, they must come to you. Your only response is yes or no or later. This is the secret power of empresses, I don't know that word, sages and divine children. They never hustle, they respond. So let's pause in the email for a bit there. How I interpret this is that, and I've tried it and it does work, but I've just touched it briefly. I sit and I wait, and questions arrive in my mind of the things I might want. So you want love, money comes up, or whatever comes up, and your job is to say, not out loud, I'm guessing, I'm thinking inside is best, and you reply no, yes, or later. No, I don't want it. Yes, I want it. Or later, let's do it later. Not now, right? So that's the flipping part. We don't chase it. We wait. It arrives as a thought, as an insight or whatever. Many people use the word stamp. You feel like an idea is stamped in your head. And you say, no. It's like flipping through a magazine or something. No, yes, later. You understand. What happens after? Back to the email. The field will begin to bring allies who already want to help, drop wealth in unexpected ways, not as a reward, but as a recognition. The field will begin to clear obstacles without you touching them. The field will begin to create new currents in your name, unseen, untraceable, undeniable. And that's it. Cool, yeah? So whatever, I feel I get suggestions. Do you want this? Do you want to... I'm not into, earlier I was, I really want a sports car. No, I really don't want a sports car. So things pop up and you go, no, yes, yeah. I think you got the point. So here's my take on it. This is so far my method. I might change it tomorrow, but I somehow don't think so. But yeah. Don't listen to me, right? Use my insights as a stepping stone to get started. And once you have gotten started, everything I teach, use it as a stepping stone. You get started, and when you have begun, you listen to your heart, your intuition, your guidance, whatever, and you make your own path if you want to, right? So this is just my take. Every time I meditate now, which is like 10 minutes every morning. Where's my phone? There it is. And I'll have let's just talk short about this, okay? So what I do is now that I meditate, I always open up for the healing energy to come through me. I don't know why it does that. I don't know if it's healing me or if it's going into the earth and healing people or the planet or whatever. But I always do that. I also do it for my own reasons, because I feel really connected to the universe when I feel the burning in my hands. The power is there and I sit in silence, right? So I'm gonna play you now a short tune. This tune, I have a short story. I'll be fast, I promise, but I said it'll be a long video. Maybe you've seen the video with Jonas, the healer. It has many views, and people go, oh my God, in the comments. I'll link it down below if you haven't seen it. He says in the video, maybe you can add some music, Terry. Sure, and I did. I went online when I was editing, and I found a free site for music. And I listened to it shortly. Oh, it sounds okay, and I downloaded it, and I was going for more files to see who was best at trying to download some more, right? No way, it stopped. The website did not function after I downloaded the first one. and I checked, am I online? Yes, every other website was working. This one, no. So, okay, I'll take it as a sign. So I put that tune in. And people are going mental over this music. Not just in the videos, but I played it for some other people. Like, oh my God, what is that music? So that's the music I listen to. That's a long story just to tell you the music I listen to. It is a free tune, free file. It's this one. I'll link it down below. It's on YouTube, and it's also a free file with the same file number as the YouTube link. Anyway, this is 10 minutes long. This is how I do it. I listen to this very low. I intend, I say, healing energy, please go through me. Boom, the heat in the hands start burning. And now I do this, what we talked about, the throne. So I feel the universe going through my body and burning in my hands. I hear this kind of magical music, I would say. It's wonderful. And I sit there, and usually up until now I've done nothing apart from those two things, the music and the healing energy going through me. And by the way, how to do the healing energy thing, just say it, inside or out. I now open up for healing energy to come through me. Boom, my hearts and many other people's hands are started burning, or they feel other sensations. But now I'm gonna add this, the throne. So I'm going to sit there, I'm going to focus behind the navel, I'm going to be on the throne, and I'll just listen to the music and feel the universe going through me and wait for ideas to come up in my mind. And I will go, no, 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 yes, later, later, no, yes, like that. That's my new method in the morning. Music, healing energy going through me, it makes me really connected. And maybe we don't know what this healing energy does with the world, right? So might as well, it doesn't cost you anything to allow it through. And you sit on the throne and you say yes or no. That's my new take on it. What do you think? Cool, yeah? I think it's fantastic. It's so different from, oh, I really, really want this house or whatever you want to manifest, right? Oh, I have to visualize it and see it every day. And it feels a little needy, doesn't it? Feels a little desperate somehow. Of course you can feel it with joy, but for me it feels fake to do that. That's just me. I do believe in the law of attraction. I think we manifest everything all the time, probably, right? So it's not that, but I find, I'm just going to feel the joy of having something I don't have. No, not for me. So I'm really curious about diving into this one. So now the question, what do you think? Please improve my method if you can, if you want to. I would much rather learn than to be right. And if you haven't, the whole email is down from Jay, is down in the description. And yes, I have gotten more emails which are, I don't know, I also tried to Google some of them. And is it a verb to chat GPT something? Looks like no hits. Is this is this crazy or what? So if you're watching, Jay, as I told you in my emails, I'm speechless. I'm so grateful, and you just showed up out of nowhere. I have never spoken to you. I've never seen you. I know your first name and the country you live in. And somehow this feels just perfect. So I'm very, very grateful, Jay. Thank you so much. Okay, the video tomorrow, it's an update. Earlier I made a video where I said I'm leaving it up to the universe to arrange a winter home for me now, or like a place to live. And I have an update. Things are happening. Big news for me in a way. Just want to share that with you. And I'll share how I did it, and it's really easy. So that's tomorrow. 18 minutes, one of the longest ones. But I hope you find it was worth it. Okay, see ya.